the only exception. Well, maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, deep in a comfortable distance. 'Cause up until now I just sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. For you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only